Hello, sir. We are exploring how an English learner can overcome challenges in learning English. Can you share some insights?
Absolutely. Learning English is a journey, and I am here to guide our students through it. Let's dive into some practical tips.
Tell me, how can our students overcome the fear of speaking English?
Start small. Practice with friends or family to build confidence.
What's the biggest challenge for beginners in learning English?
Often, it's fear of making mistakes. Embrace errors as part of learning.
How can students improve their English vocabulary?
Read regularly and make a habit of learning new words daily.
Okay. Is there a quick way to enhance pronunciation skills?
Practice speaking slowly, focus on sounds, and imitate native speakers.
How do students stay motivated during the learning process?
Set small goals, celebrate achievements, and enjoy the journey of English learning.
Can watching English movies really help in language improvement?
Absolutely. It enhances listening skills and introduces new expressions.
How to encourage students to speak in English outside the classroom?
Good question. Create a supportive environment and make learning a fun between friends.
Are language apps effective for English learning?
Yes, they provide interactive learning and make practice engaging.
What's the role of regular reading in language fluency?
Reading exposes students to varied vocabulary, improving overall fluency.
Any important advice for students aiming for English fluency?
Be patient, practice consistently, and enjoy the process. Fluency comes with time and effort.
How can students improve their English writing skills?
Start with simple essays or a daily journal to practice writing regularly.
What's the importance of learning grammar for beginners?
Grammar provides the structure for clear communication. It's important for forming correct sentences.
Is it helpful for students to join English-speaking clubs?
Absolutely. Joining clubs offers a supportive environment for practicing spoken English.
How do you address the fear of public speaking in English?
Encourage small presentations initially and gradually increase the complexity.
Can students benefit from teaching English to others?
It's a good. Teaching English to others, it's a two-way learning process.
How can students handle the pressure of exams in English?
Develop a study plan, focus on weak areas, and practice past papers.
What's your advice for building a strong English vocabulary?
Oh, there are many ways. Use flashcards, categorize words, and make learning a daily habit.
Should students try mimicking native speakers?
Yes, imitation helps with pronunciation and natural language flow. It's a great way to capture English accent.
How do students balance learning English with other subjects?
Create a schedule, allocate specific time for English, and stick to it. It's not so hard.
Can incorporating English into daily routines aid learning?
Definitely. Label items, think in English, and use the language in everyday tasks.
Are there any fun games to make English learning enjoyable?
Absolutely. Engage in word games, crossword puzzles, and language apps.
How to overcome shyness while speaking English.
Practice in front of a mirror, or record yourself. It boosts confidence.
Can English songs improve language skills?
Yes, singing along enhances pronunciation and rhythm in a fun way.
How can students use social media for English practice?
Follow English content, participate in discussions, and express ideas online.
Is it beneficial for students to attend language workshops?
Definitely. Workshops provide interactive learning and valuable insights.
Thank you for the valuable insights. Any final words of encouragement for our viewers?
Keep practicing, embrace the learning process, and remember, every small step forward is a victory on your path to English fluency. Happy learning!